Honey is nothing like me, darling. Why can't you see? What's up, everybody? For breakfast, we are having festival on Deada's. Alright, tin mackerel.
Deada's? Tin mackerel Deada's?
Yeah.
First me hear that.
It's a kind of me, right?
Sure, tin mackerel and something up in your plate, you know, up and bright.
Put it up. Tin mackerel and plantain and corn.
With a little color in my own, because you know, my thing are different. I think the normal.
Special delivery. Give me that.
Regular thing. You know, say grace.
Yeah, sweet.
You are sweet?
Mm-hmm.
Which part?
Me inner body. Me inner body.
Nervous.
Oh,
You never bless your food.
You're not going there. You're not going there.
So true that no, you know, stop bless food.
Me bless my food. You're not going there. Guys, we have an interesting topic this morning. I'll talk up the things them.
You, not me. That's how we.
Alright. I'm gonna talk up the things them because you don't really know what me I got to talk to, but I'm gonna put you up on the spot and see if you can figure it out. Alright, here we have to say. You. And here where you can. Here or you answer that one here. Alright? So what you want to do? Chocolate tea. Chocolate tea where my auntie sent for me from down in Jamaica. Alright. May I talk somebody may I chat, right? But me I go refer it like me and my husband, my hubby. Somebody business may I chat. Me I go refer it like me and you. That make sense?
Look, just chat smart, nobody involve me in that.
Alright. So for instance, say, when you meet me, I did have a boyfriend, right? And I live with that boyfriend. Right? But me and you talk and build up a relationship, and then me and you get involved and me go sleep with you. Then later on, I figure out, say, I love you more than how I love the person that I was with. And then me and you know, becomes a partner, live together, have a good relationship. And then all of a sudden the relationship start go downhill between me and you. You not trust me because you meet me. What is it? Now I move my head because you're not taking out nothing out of my plane. You not trust me. And one of the main reasons why you not trust me is because when you meet me with somebody. And okay, so my last another question.
So basically what I said, so the girl man, she live with,
Them
find
break
out
up.
so she had cheat.
Yeah, and then break
Well,
up.
if she find out, just I know, but then break up.
Then break up, yeah.
So
Then
you
break
leave
up
her
because,
with the bonner man now.
yeah, you leave her with it, but am I right? Exactly. And
But every bonner man want her.
so give me an example why you think you and our relationship wouldn't work out.
No matter where you live with,
Yeah, you live with her because I'm man.
you cheat for your man where you live with me.
Yeah.
Then.
Yeah.
And then down the line, you and the man where you live with break up.
And then me and you end up together.
Yes.
Right?
Get it on.
Alright. What are some of the downfall that where you think are gonna cause me and you to break up in the long run?
But a woman that cheat on her man, and she and her man left, so she end up with the man she that cheat with. And how the man they go view her,
Yeah.
like
How the man they go view her? Simple. Break it down.
depends on the reason why she that cheat on her man when she live with. Because women cheat, or people cheat for reasons. Me think it's a my thing, that I might believe.
We talk about that topic here before.
That's my belief. It depends on the reason why she that cheat on her man in the first place. Because if me there with a woman, me there with a woman with our man. So a woman I use me for cheat on her man. Right? She got to talk about her man. If it's for whatever reason that topic that will come up and she got to talk about her man. So right away I'm gonna know. I have an idea why she do. So it depends on the reason. And most of the time, if a woman I got to say, oh, a man can't manage her, can't please her no more in a bed and them way there. Me now as a man, I used to cheat on her man. Me not think twice to move on with a girl like that. Because, in a life, anything can happen, If you reach a stage, you witness the girl and everything alright, and you reach a stage where, a life, anything can happen in a life. And you can't please her in a bed no more. I same thing, I got things she got do me the same thing like she do the man. But she did live with. She got do me the same thing too. So, it depends on the reason. Now, if she had cheat on her man because, she had tell me, say, boy, her man a cheat on her, so she had cheat back on him. Then, as a man, and a woman tell you that, say the man she live with a cheat on her, so that's the reason why she had cheat back on him. A man, me think, a man no more look through that, to say, alright. If she and her man left, me can settle with that girl because as long as me not cheat on her, she not gonna cheat on me. But if after sex, say the man can't manage her or can't please her no more, me I gotta think twice to move on with a girl. If she and her man left, I'm gonna say, that means later down in her life, if me can't please her no more, that's my time, it's not the man's fault, Sometimes nothing wrong with the man, I just the woman appetite. She have a big appetite,
She have white liver.
White liver, she does have a huge appetite for sex. So maybe in the long run, in the beginning when she cheat on her man, everything they done there nice. But when she and her man left now, she come live with me now. She get used to me. He can't satisfy her, I mean, nothing wrong with me, but she just reach a stage where she want more. Like when me have now, she get used to that and want more or whatever. So maybe think so she got just she does do what she do for sex. For more sex and more sex and more sex. More on top of more. So if it's a case where she say I'm gonna cheat on her and she try to cheat back on it, then I mean I gonna feel like she use me to cheat back on her man.
You hear that, ladies?
I don't feel like she use me to cheat back on her man, but me that more to take a chance with that woman where her man hurt her, so she just step out because her man hurt her. So at least in myself, we have a little bit more confidence to say, boy, as long as me not hurt a girl, she not gonna hurt me. But if she could step out because of sex, well, that is all.
And if she go step out because of money, and if she go step out because she not happy, just explain them all.
Yeah, one of them not happy. I'm not happy for me.
Hey, put back my dumpling. Put it back.
You get that off for this.
$1? No.
I'm sure.
$20.
For this?
Yes, $20.
$20 for this?
Yes.
Half a festival?
Yeah.
Alright, put it on my bill.
Put it on your bill?
Mm-hmm.
You know my views, right? If me go cheat, if me and you live together, we are husband and wife, and I see somebody else out there, or somebody else out there will look me.
If you I said no. Like I said, you're at a vital point now. You gotta get yourself in a big trouble. You know. Sure, you want to continue with this. But you go say, this is your chance to stop and say no more. You still want to go?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead.
So, somebody else out there like me, right?
Mm.
And me and that person there, me and the person that talk. Alright, wait, that's it.
Think long and hard before you come out to yourself. Man, you give it yourself.
Me and the person that talk. And a person like me. And then me develop feelings for that person there as well.
In real life, you talk?
No, I'm just a say.
Oh.
Stop drawing me on, man. So, you make me get distracted. I don't remember what me I said when you do something there.
You move stuff. Like you do it.
So anyway, the person like me, and me, say for instance, me ending up sleep with the person, right? In the long run. No. When we look back in the process, how me would I feel leaving that person, leaving my husband for go sleep with that person, and then in the long run, me end up with the person. Me I go feel like,
The person I can look on your way.
yeah, me I go feel like that person there, I go look on me away and now go respect me.
It no matter the reason why you leave
It no
your
matter.
husband.
No, it me no matter. It kinda makes sense why me leave my husband. Maybe because I'm never happy with him, or
Yeah, but when
we
it's
never
happy.
involved with maybe you have some relationship, to be honest, you know, where them all live with them one another and them not even involved. So that way you say it kinda makes sense. It depends upon that. But if alright, me not look on it that way then. Me I look on it like if me and my husband did good in a certain way, where he might treat me good and them something there, I'm gonna leave him because me like the other person, and that way they made it a look on
If
it.
your husband that treat you good, alright. Satisfying up in a bedroom and everything. You're not gonna leave him so easy.
You know, something I'm not gonna leave him, but certain circumstances, like people grow to love too.
Yeah.
People grow to love, and anything can. But just not preach, because as I say, somebody may attract.
That way I try. Call him.
No, I'm not telling him.
Get back my brother.
So, you getting back with that person after on a breakup, it just don't make no sense because it want to move on and put in a different relationship, but yet you're not sneak in and sleep with each other same way. I want to break up already. It just don't make no sense.
If you're a woman, I mean I left with her. She left me gone about her business. I mean I come to agreement. And she left me. Me and I left. But if she left me, I mean I left. As long as she go with somebody else, me and I can't go back together.
No?
No, me and I can't go back. Like, It not gonna be like it was. Can never from my end.
And that's why me have say, you know, make no sense them go back together because the two of them in a relationship now and them are sneak in and a sleep with each other.
And sometimes a woman left a man, and then a man. Then the man who she left her man for can't satisfy her
In a many ways.
sexually, most of the time are sex. So she find back the one that she did that before to satisfy her. But I just decide there.
That's it.
I just decide there.
Oh, your son, so. Oh, your son, so.
We in that situation already. Long time, years ago.
Oh.
Years ago, but no do that now. Because if you left me for that man there, why you gonna come back? Because the man can't please you. No, go somewhere else or stay with him. You know, make you use me, make you have me like a sex toy.
Okay, so then about then when you never have no sense.
Right, I mean, never think, you just think about Saul, you know, just think about Saul. And just one Saul, you know. No. And I saw it, you know, sorry, you know, maturity.
Yeah.
Maturity come with experience and age, lifespan. Real maturity.
Yeah.
Mentally. I want to do that now.
Maturity.
Because at the end of the day, if a woman will come and say, well, a man, some of the time when a man agree for do them something there, he might benefit from it. Like,
Man, enjoy yourself.
I enjoy himself and maybe might get money from the woman too. She take no man the money, can come get him. And a man is glad to do that too, for burn back the man there. Because then him say, alright, the man they take a woman from me, we go burn him back now with the same woman. A man want to do that too. But me think them kind of thinking there, for pitney, in a young certain way. Because me that think that way they too and say, oh, alright, Tom Jones take a woman from me, and then I see my woman come back to me for satisfaction, bedroom satisfaction. Yeah, I go take it and just laugh after him at the end of the day. Whereas if I somebody who I know, let me see my road, I just laugh after him in my mind, you know. I say, yeah man, him take a woman from me and now me a born a man, me a born him with a woman. You know? But me right now, in my stage in life now, me don't want to be that. I don't want to do that. Because at the end of the day, where woman can come, me can maintain myself. Me can cook food, me can maintain myself financially. Me am not cleaner, like a clean house, because I can manage the dust. But I can get somebody to clean my house if my house want clean. If I alone live, of course. I can cook. Anything I eat, I can cook that. I can prepare
When
that.
man reach certain age, then taught them where they when they're younger, you know, it's like they can't live without a woman, you know. But anytime them reach, but let me tell you what are the
Me not gonna
things.
say me can live without a woman, you know. But me not gonna beat my chest and say me don't want to live without a woman. Me don't want to live without a woman. Me have to have a woman. Me don't want to live without a woman. And not just at the end of the day, you come home to somebody, you feel good. Whereas there's somebody there is everybody have nobody is 100% perfect, but at least, you know, up there, you know, everything. Take care of you, take care of the place, take care of the people them, take care of whatsoever. And you're the person where you come home with have a good relationship as your husband or your man or your woman. You feel comfortable and good in yourself to come home to that person. You don't want to come home. I mean, sometimes I don't mind come home and me alone the home. But if I feel that way today, I'm not going to feel that way tomorrow. Or if I feel that way for that minute or for that hour, as the hour that run off, you're going to feel like somebody feel, you know. That sometimes alone time is good.
Yeah.
Alone time.
Alone time is good. Sometimes I feel that way too. Like sometimes I just want to be by myself.
Yeah. But that just for the moment.
Yeah, it's just for the moment. It's not for long.
Yeah, you don't want to live so.
And sometimes you want to go up on a vacation. So it's just it's just humanity. And self-love. Sometimes, you see, self-love is a big thing as well, because, one time I used to pray life differently, but now that I understand self-love and love myself, it's a different feeling. Like, me put myself first. No, me put myself first. So, me understand self-love. That's very important. And that's why sometimes because there was a time I feel like I couldn't live without you.
Without me?
In a sense
Me?
like that.
Literally me?
Yeah.
You can't live without me now?
Yeah. Anybody?
You don't love me no more. That's
No.
I'm not a kid, but I'm saying.
Not in that sense there. Alright, you see, if you not have self-love, then not in that sense there, or you make it sound. If you don't have self-love, then
If you don't love yourself, you can't love nobody else.
yeah, it's like I don't know, true. It's like you feel like you love that person even more than yourself.
Yeah, but you still love yourself.
You still love yourself, but me, I tell you, you're not even understand. Me now going.
You understand what I said?
You don't understand.
You will love somebody. You will love somebody.
You're never in a
where
situation.
You don't even think about yourself. That is the person you love. You think about straight. Example.
You ever love somebody where they hurt you, you feel like the world just going to shut down for you and that's it. You don't eat, you don't want to eat, you don't want to sleep, you don't want to do nothing. Eh? Answer me.
Honestly?
No.
We get hurt already, but a physical hurt. You never get emotional hurt.
Mental hurt, you never get it.
Never.
And that is the reason why you don't know what I'm talking about.
I don't know what hurt is in a relationship wise. Never suspect. So I get born. So I never get born yet. If I get it, I don't know. I never suspect it before. I'm in no relationship. I never suspect it. I never find out. So, we don't know can hurt you. So, I don't know. I never get hurt. I don't know what hurt is.
Right.
But hurt people. I hurt people before.
You hurt me.
Are you?
Please. The thing is,
Did I apologize? Did I?
You could have apologized 150 times. It's a still hurt. Apology really change the fact that me hurt.
No, not change the fact, but apology show you some sorry. That I'm sorry for doing.
You see, if you do it and you apologize right away, but because it was on and on, it takes long to come to perfection. That's why. But as I say, when you develop self-love and you have an understanding of what life is, back then you're like me young and naive and just never understand what life is. But now that I'm grown and becomes a woman, I understand what life is. And
this love is the greatest love.
Self-love.
And then after self-love, the second greatest love, motherly love. Motherly love.
The truth. Motherly love is the second. Because a man and a woman can hurt each other, but
only one mother and one self.
Yeah, it's just one mother and one self.
When you can find another girl, you can get more kids. I mean, as much kids as you want to have or get, it can't replace the one before doing. This child can replace that child. But a woman can replace a woman. So the third love.
And a man can replace a man.
A woman can replace a man and a man can replace a man. So the third love,
Woman and man can replace. So the third love is what?
tell me,
Husband and wife. Oh.
your kids.
They're not the same motherly love.
So I'm say, first love,
A motherly love.
motherly love meaning your mother. Because your mother make you there, here. That's a my observe. That's how me see it. Everybody now if you agree with how me see it. Which is your first love?
My kids.
Your kids.
Not my first love. My self-love and my first love.
And then your kids.
Yeah.
I mean, you can go like that, but if you really, if how me see it, my mother second. And we can explain, we have explanation
I
to
love
that.
my mother. I love my mother to death. But we just have a different love because I carry these kids in my belly for 9 months. You are a father, you don't understand that part. But the main fact that I have my kids them in my belly for 9 months, bring them on the earth there and nurture them, it's just a different feelings.
That's all.
It is a different feelings.
I understand. I understand that.
So
as a mother,
so yeah, so me couldn't
as a woman.
me love my mother, but me love my kids them. I just have a different love for
Yeah,
them.
you love them, but when I say like as a person,
Yeah.
which love categorize the love them, which love who you put first. Not saying it actually about happen like that, but in your heart, in your mind and your heart,
Yeah.
or you categorize. I mean, love or love.
Love I love.
For me come first in everything. Because if me no love myself, I can't love nobody else.
Yeah.
So
And that's facts.
self-love is first for me. Second, I'm my mother. My mother. Our mothers. Second, my mother.
Not mothers, your mother.
My mother. And third, my kids. That's how me categorize it. As a man. I guess it got different for a woman. Yeah. Because when you look on it, is a mother, is a mother baby, when a woman give birth to a baby, child.
It's different stage of love.
Well, when a woman give birth to a child, is a mother, and the mother baby, and the father maybe. The father maybe, and is the mother baby.
Right.
So the mother not gonna do what the father do. 95% of the time.
Right.
If the father gone about in business and they're all over the place, the mother nah do that. 95% of mothers. 98% of mothers.
98% of mothers, 2% of father.
Yeah. Some mother left baby upon father and gone, but
Them have a different mentality.
that one out of every 1,000
Yeah.
mother do that.
Different mental. Yeah, I don't know. That's a different thing. But yeah, we start from one thing to the next. We need to get together with the topics them, right? Anyway guys, I'm gonna cut leave. Today I'm gonna finish up my birthday celebration. I go, yeah, my husband I go up on the road and I'll go see what I have in store. Give you a little sneak peek later. How about that? Not later.
Camera.
Later will be greater. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you don't already subscribe.
And tell a friend. Tell them best friend.
Anyways, we start the video talking about somebody's business and
Relief. No, somebody was said never belch yet, You said this already?
yes.
Family member of mine, when he hear me a belch and saying grudge me. As he never belch yet. I pay 14 for it. So he pass.
I said
I
pass,
saw
yes.
thing digest. So film digest system work. He just fart. fought in a season and fought out a season.
Look cute with the camera. Look cute. Look cute. Give the camera a cute look.
Me not have to get no cute look. You just look and you just dead air, you know? Hey.